Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here to the Stihl concrete. So remember guys, I'm doing this video for my base store. I'm not trying to teach you anything, I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And the one sound. I'm also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente, por favor esperen. Alright guys, so far here we got a little broke here. Sorry if a little dark, it's hell is breaking loose, it just stopped right now, so I'm close. And this light that I have here is giving me some type of transference, and the new one hasn't come yet. And this one, it was missing the coil, I couldn't give it a shot. I do have the handle, you know, the recoil to give it a shot, but I don't have the coil. I think I have one and all my stuff. Well, I have a lot of them, I'm not gonna be able to find them now. It's a mess everywhere. Okay, this one came with this. It's a little loose here. There's this, I guess it goes somewhere, like that. And you got this here. This still look good, promising. You see? Yeah, still got life in it. And you got the muffler. Remember, I take everything apart like that. I can show you the best I can. Trying to be honest with you guys like that you're honest with me when you receive the machine. Remember guys, you gotta do your cleanup, but by the way this piston is looking, it doesn't look that good. I think, yeah, spring is crushed. Blow it a little bit. Yeah, I think it's dirty. It's a little scratch, but it's dirty at the same time. Let me blow there again. I gotta move the camera because if it's not all that, we'll get to the land. Yeah, for you up there, like believe in aliens, and that's why I believe in aliens. Well, with the aliens. Oh, you got it right there. Yeah, there's a little scratch there. It's dirty or scratch, right though? You know why? I hardly can tell if it's dirty, it's a scratch inside there, but it looks a scratch to me. But maybe it's just a little dirty too. Maybe it's just gas stick there on the wall, but you have it here anyways for part, guys. You know, I sell for part, but I like to be clear. I like to show you everything. I hope that's bad. I didn't, you know, I can look for a coil, but it's my last machine. I'm tired. I'm gonna give it up like that. If I find the coil, I do another video. I put it in. I give it the test. But you already got what you got here. It's missing a lot. Missing a lot of stuff. It's being violated if you look at it. But it's still a good machine. Still, I think it's a 420, a 430 something. I forgot. I don't know. I'm just gonna go put it like that, like you always I do when I don't know things. That's it, guys. You have it here. It has at least the front. You got the cover. You got the muffler. It's missing the recoil, carburetor. Here it's missing a few stuff. But still a good machine for you guys that know what's up. All right, you have it here. Any questions on here? Thank you. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Tremendo aguacero acabó de caer ahora, se calmó, pero dicen que viene una tormenta todavía ahí caminando. Vamos a ver qué pasa. Bueno, ya saben mi gente, yo vendo para partes. Puede ser que usted haga falta esta parte, le hace falta esta, o nada más quiere el frente, o quiere guindarla, porque usted colecciona máquinas así y les trae recuerdos. Yo vendo para partes. Si usted quiere arreglar esta máquina, está cometiendo un error. ¿Por qué? Porque está rota. Ya eso es una decisión de usted, si usted lo quiere hacer. No, yo la estoy vendiendo como parte. Y le digo que está rota. Y ahí vaya es un problema a usted lo que usted quiere hacer con ella. La quiere comer, la quiere, no sé. Yo vendo para parte y me gusta ser claro para no tener problemas, porque es donde vienen después los problemas. ¿Me entiende? Como lo explico, usted seguro anda buscando alguna parte de la máquina y yo la tengo. Esa es la idea de esta tienda, vender todo. Ahí le enseñé adentro, le enseñé todo para no seguir dando vueltas. Ahí viene el mofle, viene lo de adelante y todo. La voy a armar todo para atrás como siempre hago. Le voy a traer una foto. Mi gente, por favor síganme, lo que estoy trayendo mercancía es increíble. Lo que pasa es que tengo tanto que hacer y no tengo tiempo. Recuérdense que yo también trabajo, este viene siendo mi hobby. Bueno, ya saben, cualquier cosita aquí estamos, que se me una la raza.